Hi everybody, my name is Heidi Bostic and I'm an independent designer with Couture, and if you're catching me live, you're going to see the little red button up there. If not, you're catching the replay. Whether it's live or replay, let me know where you're watching from. Say hi. I do enjoy getting to know people. Tonight we are going to work with one of our transfers from Couture and a surface. There's my husband. Say hi, Wally. And then Margaret. Hi, Margaret. Hi, Sheila. Hi, Melissa. I feel like I'm aborting Christmas. I really want to make Christmas projects, but this is kind of, my husband's being mushy tonight. So here, this one's for him. It says, "You are the coffee to my donut, spring in my step, twinkle in my eye, blue in my sky, milk to my cookie, cheese to my macaroni, beat of my heart." Is that not cute?
Peanut butter to my fluff.
Oh yeah. Peanut butter to my fluff. I'll have to make one of them, right? So I'm going to use our double-sided box frames. Hi Rhonda. Hi Jennifer. Thank you. Today was kind of like I got out of the car at work and it went, seriously, it went, it was so windy today. I got in the store and then I didn't even go to the restroom for like 4 hours, and I looked at my hair and I was like, whoa, what happened? Thanks. I do need to get my little skunk. See my little skunk mark here? I call it my little gray patch right there. It's time for a color, but we'll have to wait until after the new year. Okay, so our double-sided box frames are awesome. They come, they're so heavy. They're nice weight, so you can just stand it like this if you want to, put it on a shelf. You could hang it on a nail here if you wanted to. You can choose to do both sides, so you can do something seasonal on one side, and then the other side you could do something that's every day. And we're gonna do, I have done a couple Christmas, did you like my reenactment of the wind? I've done a couple Christmas boards with a red background, and I just love that look. And there was one in the, I'm actually just it was a long day, guys. And I'm just going to repeat one of the ones that's in our holiday. It's called our, if you guys have not checked it out, the winter warm-up. I'm using the transfer from there, the winter warm-up. And see this one right here? We're going to make this right back here. It'll be great for a tiered tray. So you can use our placement tape, or you could use the blue masking tape like I'm using for this. It was a day. Roses finally didn't come yesterday, and they finally came today, and we have a visitor. I thought I was going to have a visitor today. They're not going to be there until tomorrow. And everything was selling, and I needed to make arrangements. It was just a long day. I had a lot of stuff to do. Tomorrow I have a couple deliveries that I have to do, but I feel like I'm setting pretty good. I had to dip what wreaths I had left. I dip them in Pixie Sparkle. Hi Deb. Hi Jill. Hi Nikki. You dip your wreaths like greenery in a Pixie Sparkle. It's kind of like a green preserver, and so I fill up my sink and I dip all the wreaths and kind of set them out on a plastic bag to dry. So that takes a little bit of a time to do it, but it's well worth it because it makes it so that they don't shed as much. Okay, so I have my tape on there. Hi Lisa. Are you driving home? Drive safe. Hi Lynn. Thanks for watching. You guys are up so late. So I know it's 8 o'clock in Alaska, and I know East Coast, it's midnight. Y'all are up later than I am. Okay, so I'm just putting a little bit of, this is just an acrylic paint. You can use any color acrylic paint that you want on this. I think this just gives it such, and I like painting the dark side of the double frame, the color. Even though you can do it on both, you could paint this whole thing red if you wanted to. So I'm gonna just kind of make sure my lines are kind of even, and then we're gonna dry this with a dryer, and then we'll coat it again. I'm jealous. Did you go to Target, Deb? So Deb is one of my first line designers, and she lives like 5 minutes, 10 minutes from me. But she's a pilot car, what would you call it, a pilot car driver? And she gets to go to Anchorage a lot. And Anchorage is like 350 miles south of us, through the mountains. It's kind of scary sometimes with the weather. And down in Anchorage, they have Target. We don't have Target up here. Oh, they have Target in Anchorage. Yeah, Deb went to Target. And Michael's. We do have a Michael's up here. So I'm a little bit jealous. I just need to go with her one of these times. Does that sound good, Deb? Road trip. At least I know you know the roads a lot better, especially when it's winter and it's a little slick. Hi, Alicia. I know, and Alicia gets, she's another one of my first lines, and she lives in, you live in Wasilla, right? Oh, see, I'm jealous. We're gonna come stay at your house, Alicia, and then we'll go to Target, okay? There we go. We're just gonna go on a road trip. Hi, Nicole. I'm sorry I missed you coming in. I know. We definitely need a Target up here. And a Home Goods and a Hobby Lobby and IKEA. IKEA would be nice too. We're not greedy, are we? We're not greedy, are we? Yes, that was Jenny and Trigger. Oh, Jenny was playing with a squeaky toy. The last 2 mornings at like 6 a.m. she is going with that toy. 4 a.m. Yeah. She loves her squeaky toy. Alright, so that's all you have to do to paint this. You live in Palmer. It would be so much fun. So much fun. You know how long it's been since I've been to Anchorage? Gosh. I'm going to let my husband figure that up because he'll remember. Hi, Rosa. It has been a very long time since I've been to Anchorage. Probably 7 or 8 years is what he thinks.
Oh, yeah. My mother was younger.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, no. That's not good. Jenny, the night before, was out here at 2, 3 in the morning, pacing. All I could hear is her click, 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 click with her paws. She would drive me crazy. Okay, so that was super easy to paint that. Look at that. It's all painted. Looks like Valentine's. I was going to try, I think I can still pull up the gold for Valentine's Day, but I don't know about the pink yet. Haven't found quite my right color pink. So this is this transfer, and I thought this was, when I first saw this, I thought it was going to be super big, but it's not. You do, Miss Vicky. You just come right on up here. I'll put you to work helping me wash transfers. Okay, we are definitely going to fuzz these. Something about these new transfers, they are super sticky. We're going to just take, and actually this one doesn't feel so bad. Doesn't feel too bad. Let's say, what did I, it has been pretty, today was so windy, so, even we have balloons just as you come in the door, like Christmas balloons, and the candy canes were like this way all day. Okay, so you don't have to worry about which side is your right side, up or down, because this is the first one that we're going to do. And we're just going to lay this in here. The reason why and I'm going to show you a couple things, just in case we get some new followers washing. You wash my, I love you, Vicky. Aw, that would be so much fun, Nicole. This here, so one of the things that I love, and I love my Cricut, and I haven't used it in a very long time, but I used to make vinyl signs, and Vicky brought up a good point. Weeding, it takes forever sometimes, depends on how much detail is in your design. Hi, Anna. So when you look at these, in these stencils, these are silk screen, you can see little speckles. They do that to give it texture. So you can see the different, like down in the heart, that would be really easy. See all the little speckles? That's supposed to be there. So you can just take your transfer, and this is reusable. I can reuse this lots of times. We're going to lay this in here. And if I don't have the position right, I can peel it up and do it again. You don't have to press down a whole lot on this. Just lightly press down. We're going to use our white chalk paste. So I'm going to take this, and every time you open it, you do want to stir it. There's my dog Jenny going crazy on her toy.
Jenny.
Just give it a nice stir. You want it to have, this is a little bit thick. You can add water, but I think it's not, it's a good consistency for me. I know that it'll work, but you can add water to this. So you're going to just pick up some paste with your squeegee. And you guys all see, and I'm just going to spread this down across my transfer. I don't have to. If I was doing this with vinyl in my Cricut, I would have to use Mod Podge first and then wait for that to dry, and then I would paint. You do not have to do that with this. So once I have it all covered, I'm just going to take off all my extra little lumps. Make sure that I don't leave it on there too thick. And just scrape it off, put it back in my jar, and we're going to peel this up. And I need, I don't know if I have my, use one of your detail tools. You have to work a little bit quick because this is paste and it dries with the air. So we're going to carefully peel this back, not at a diagonal. Definitely want to do straight up and down or side to side. Oh my gosh, that's so awesome. And if you look, I'm going to hold this up for you guys. Let me put these away somewhere. Hi, Dottie. I know. That would be my dog in the squeaky toy. So when you look at this, you're going to see all them little textures. That is meant to be like that. they have added little texture spots into the letters. Oh, we gotta flip it. I'm sorry, I will flip this. There you go. So as you can see, the little texture, let me go the other way right here. In the heart, that's meant to be like that, and it gives you that rustic look. But look at how easy. Now, if I had done this on a chalkboard, because we do have like I have a bistro stand that has a spinner. If I had done it on there, I can spray it with water and wash it off and change my design, and it completely goes away. This is permanent and it'd be like this, but I can put something every day on this side and then have this on there. But I think you can keep this out all year, right? Because it doesn't really say. It's just something for the special person in your life who's the cheese to your macaroni, right? The coffee to your donut. So it is super cute. This was so easy to do. Now to wash this transfer, so we're gonna wash this to reuse it. Let me show you how we're gonna do that. I usually take it to my sink and wash. Take and just spray it with water. And take a wipe. In my sink, I use a board eraser. We have little board erasers that we sell. But I'll just take like that. I take a paper towel. And then I'm gonna take a new one right here. And then I just wipe the back side. You can run water on the front and the back, and it does not hurt this. And you'll see, let me see if I can get the front side a little bit cleaner. Lay it like that. When it's really super wet, let me make sure that I can see all this. Egg to my nog, I like that. You can take and just wipe the paper towel, and look it, guys. It's sticky again, and it's ready for the next time. Just let this dry really good, and then you can take your backer sheet. On the backer sheet, one side has a nice shiny, see the shiny side? This is like a paper side. The shiny side goes back down on here. And it's all ready for the next time. So if you love this concept and you would like to be a designer, now is the time to join. We have a new catalog launching February 2nd. It's going to be filled with so much amazing goodness. You can start by signing up for $100. You get a kit worth $250. It has some awesome things in there. You get 5 pastes. One of them is a shimmer. You get squeegee. There's a Hugs and Kisses transfer, which looks like it's out of this new winter warm-up. We have, I'm looking for it, sorry guys, right here. You get that transfer, and there's several other little ones, and it's all ready for you to start your business, or even if you want to just do it as a hobbyist. And it's so easy and so much fun. So much fun. And we have a great community of resources. So for $99, you can start your business today. So thanks for watching, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you again tomorrow night. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.